Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the highest quality source, open photos, and check file size and resolution. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled or that you've downloaded the full resolution file to the device. Duplicate the photo so you always keep the original untouched. Now you're ready to choose tools. Use the built-in edit for light fixes or a dedicated app like Pixelated or Adobe Lightroom when finer control is needed. This protects your original and prepares a safe workspace for repair. Next, you perform the detailed corrections that actually improve pixels. Start with noise reduction to smooth grain, then add modest sharpening so edges return without creating halos. Less is more. Crop out any irrecoverable areas to improve perceived quality and composition. Use selective brushes or masks to target clarity, exposure, and color on faces or edges. This avoids overprocessing the whole image. Make incremental edits and toggle the preview to compare before and after so you can judge. To finish, export your repaired copy at the highest quality setting and the correct color space so you don't reintroduce compression. If small details remain blocky, try an AI upscaler with conservative enhancement, then blend that layer at lower opacity to retain natural texture. Troubleshoot by reverting to the duplicated original and testing a single technique at a time. Sometimes the issue is the camera's native resolution or an aggressive previous compression. If nothing works, you'll at least know the limits of recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.